Want to know how to install Windows 10? Watch till the end to know how. Hey guys, this is AMRS and welcome to my video. Okay, you will need to install Rufus for creating a bootable pen drive. Also grab the Windows 10 image file, select Windows 10, and choose your language and confirm. Now select 64-bit as most laptops are 64-bit except for the very old ones. Now format your pen drive. Open Rufus and select the image file you downloaded earlier. Select AMRS partition scheme and click Start. Now start your laptop and boot into BIOS by pressing F2 key multiple times. In the BIOS, enable external boot and keep external device as boot priority and save and shut down. Now start your laptop and it will boot from your pen drive. Click Next and then Install Now. Now click on the option below saying I don't have a product key. Windows 10 comes in many versions. I recommend going with Windows 10 Home. Read the license terms if you want and accept if you want to install the software and click Next. If you want to keep all your files and settings, then choose the first option. As I am going to start fresh, I am going with the second one. You might have multiple partitions like mine. As I am starting fresh, I am deleting every partition. You may keep the partition that might have your data and choose one which is free. After deleting all the partitions, it now shows the unallocated space. Now I need to allocate the space by clicking New and then Apply and then click OK. Now the partition is ready and click Next. Now go through the setup process either using Cortana or using your manual input. Your display might look like this. In order to fix this, go to Settings, System, then Display and change the scaling to 100% and also change the resolution to the maximum. That's all guys. Please subscribe so you don't miss future videos.